What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the payment method on your iOS device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While using your iOS device, open up your Settings application. Tap your Apple ID name and then select Payments and Shipping. It might take a moment to load, and you must authenticate access to these settings using Face ID or a passcode. Once here, you can add, remove, or edit your preferred payment method. Under Payment Methods, you will see a list of currently used payment methods. Tap Add Payment Method. Next, select the payment method and enter the relevant information before saving your changes. In some cases, you will be required to use an address for your payment method in the same country as you selected when setting up your device. If you use a payment method from a different country, your App Store region might change as well. When selecting a saved payment method, then you will have the option to remove it. If you find yourself unable to add or remove a payment method, then content and privacy restrictions might hinder you from doing so. Head back to your main iOS settings. From here, tap Screen Time. Under Content and Privacy Restrictions, tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. Make sure you're allowed to make in-app purchases on your iOS device. This will allow you to change your iOS payment method and use it in the App Store or iTunes. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.